रात को कमरे में घुस गया।
Slipping into the room at night. Slipping into the room at night.
जोर से गिर गया।
Fell with a thud. Fell with a thud.
नाइंसाफी पर गुस्से से चिल्लाया।
Cried out in anger at the injustice. Cried out in anger at the injustice.
हर तरफ फैल गया।
It spilled in every direction. It spilled in every direction.
वो जमीन पर गिर गई थी।
She was knocked to the ground. She was knocked to the ground.
ये एक सेकंड में हुआ।
It happened in a split second. It happened in a split second.
इसने उसे गोश्त की एक और पिटी फेंक दी।
She tossed him another strip of meat. She tossed him another strip of meat.
वो किचन से बाहर निकल गया।
He went out of the kitchen. He went out of the kitchen.
वो जगह पर जमकर खड़े थे।
They stood frozen in place. They stood frozen in place.
इसकी चीख रात की तारीकी को चीर गई।
His scream pierced the night. His scream pierced the night.